Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tech2 AI. In this video, I bring you the top Microsoft Office alternatives designed to simplify your experience with professional Office apps without the need for a subscription. Microsoft Office continues to dominate as the go-to productivity suite for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Available either as a downloadable software package or as the cloud-based Microsoft 365 suite. Its powerful applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, Access, and Outlook, set a high standard for Office tools. However, a variety of alternative platforms have emerged as compelling options, especially with more competitive pricing models, some even free. These alternatives often deliver impressive performance, as evidenced by the open source community, proving that affordability doesn't have to compromise quality. That said, document sharing across different Office suites can sometimes present challenges, making it important to understand any potential limitations. This is particularly crucial if you frequently collaborate or share files with users relying on other platforms. Even so, most leading Microsoft Office alternatives offer robust features, seamless sharing capabilities, and impressive functionality. While few can rival the comprehensive features of Microsoft 365 or its generous 2 TB OneDrive cloud storage, they remain strong contenders. We evaluated these alternatives across multiple criteria, including pricing, platform compatibility, user interface, performance, available tools, collaboration features, and supported file formats. Our analysis ensures you'll find the best options to suit your needs. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up, we have LibreOffice, a popular and powerful open source Office suite that has everything you need: a word processor, spreadsheet tool, presentation creator, and even a drawing tool. It's compatible with Microsoft Office file formats like DOCX, XLSX, and PPTX, so you can open and edit your existing files without issues. Plus, it's completely free to use. LibreOffice supports Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it accessible to most users. The interface is simple and functional, though it may feel a bit old school compared to newer alternatives. And because it's open source, it's updated regularly by a global community of developers. Writer is equivalent to Microsoft Word, great for word processing with extensive formatting options. Calc is similar to Microsoft Excel, a powerful spreadsheet tool with advanced functions. Impress, think of it as an alternative to Microsoft PowerPoint, perfect for creating engaging presentations. Draw is comparable to Adobe Illustrator, a vector graphics editor for diagrams and illustrations. Math, it's like having a built-in formula editor, ideal for writing and editing mathematical equations. Base is equivalent to Microsoft Access, a reliable database management system. One thing to keep in mind is that you may need to download some additional extensions separately if you want advanced features or specific compatibility options. But overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a free, feature-rich Office suite. If we talk about its pros, it's completely free, works well with Microsoft files, and supports a ton of document formats. Plus, there are no ads or hidden costs, just pure functionality. On the downside, it can feel a bit slow when handling really large files and the interface isn't the most modern, but honestly, for something free, it's hard to beat. Next on my list is FreeOffice. This one's a lightweight but highly capable Office suite. It offers a word processor, spreadsheet tool, and presentation creator, and it works perfectly with your existing Microsoft Office files. FreeOffice is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and iOS and Android. It is a complete Office suite that is free to use for both home and in the workplace. The suite itself is fully compatible with all Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint formats. This means that you can not only view but save files in formats such as DOCX, XLSX, and PPTX. It also supports older file types such as PPT and XLS. It's very easy to use, making it a great choice for users who just want to get things done quickly without a steep learning curve. The interface is clean and intuitive, perfect for beginners or anyone who just needs to handle basic office tasks. Although it's a bit lighter on advanced features compared to LibreOffice, it does the job well for everyday use. Talking about its pros, it is compatible with Microsoft file formats, easy to navigate, and includes PDF tools, simple to use, and great for everyday tasks. Whereas in cons, there's no thesaurus, only basic spell check, lacks version management, and some features require a paid subscription. Next up is WPS Office, which is known for how closely it resembles Microsoft Office, especially the newer versions. If you're used to the look and feel of Microsoft Office, you'll find WPS Office quite familiar. It has all the essential tools: Writer for documents, spreadsheets for your data, and presentation for slideshows, all fully compatible with Microsoft Office files like DOCX, XLSX, and PPTX. It offers a free and a premium tier. The free tier allows you to use Writer, Presentation, and Spreadsheets, which are alternatives to the Microsoft Office suite, which it also resembles closely. UPS offers a PDF to Word converter, which is fast and easy to use. It supports bulk exportation and can also split merge PDF files if needed. WPS Office is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, and mobile devices, both Android and iOS, so you can work on your documents anywhere. The interface is modern and easy to navigate, and there's a mobile app that lets you take your work on the go. However, one small downside is that the free version has ads that may pop up from time to time, which can be a little distracting. But otherwise, it's a great option for anyone looking for a familiar, mobile friendly office suite. Highlighting the pros, it has excellent selection of powerful tools. The PDF conversion feature is also great. The cloud support for cross-platform work, great compatibility with Microsoft files, sleek and modern interface, and a mobile version for on-the-go productivity. And about its cons, ads in the free version can be a bit annoying, and some advanced features are locked behind a premium version. Up next is OpenOffice, one of the oldest and most well-known open-source office suites. It includes all the core tools you need: a word processor, spreadsheets, presentations, and even a drawing tool. It supports Microsoft Office files, so you can open and edit docx, xlsx, and pptx without any hassle. OpenOffice is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, so it's a solid choice for most users. The interface is a little dated compared to some of the other suites, but it's still functional. It doesn't get updated as often as LibreOffice, but it's still a reliable option for basic office tasks. One thing to note is that OpenOffice doesn't always keep up with the latest features, so if you're looking for cutting-edge options, it might not be the best fit, but for basic tasks, it works well enough. Pros: free and open source, works with Microsoft files, and available on multiple operating systems. Cons: the interface is a bit outdated, and it doesn't receive updates as often as some of the other options. This video is just a quick introduction to these products, guys, giving you a sneak peek at what they offer. If you'd like me to dive deeper into any of these apps, or even all of them, just drop a comment below and let me know. If enough of you are interested, I'd be more than happy to make a full review video for you. Finally, we have Polaris Office, which is a cloud-based office suite. Polaris Office is available for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, which makes it an excellent option for people who need to work on the go. Polaris makes it easy to access your documents from anywhere, whether you're on your desktop, tablet, or smartphone. It supports all popular file formats, including docx, xlsx, and pptx, so you can open and edit your Microsoft files without issue. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, which is perfect for both desktop and mobile devices. However, keep in mind that while Polaris Office offers a free version, some of its advanced features are locked behind a premium version, and you'll encounter ads in the free version. So if you want to unlock the full potential of Polaris Office, you may need to upgrade. Talking about its pros: great for cloud users, supports all major file formats, and works seamlessly across multiple devices. And cons: some advanced features are behind a paywall, and ads can be annoying in the free version. So there you have it. 5 fantastic free alternatives to Microsoft Office that will help you stay productive without the price tag. Whether you're looking for something lightweight like Free Office or a cloud-based option like Polaris, there's something for everyone. Let me know in the comments which one you're planning to try. Or if you've already used one of these, share your experience. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.